Well, we're back, and this time it's with plenty of rubble and sadly with more rodent feces. As you know from the previous episodes, we bought this cottage to renovate and hopefully one day call home. But before any of that can happen, we've got work. Plenty of work that needs to be completed. In this one, we begin to let the cottage show off its natural Stone Age era by removing the ever so thick plaster saturating the internal walls. Right now, you join me in the loft with a mask, torch and a hoover. Now, one thing we still need to do after we've smashed the ceiling out is hoover up all the rat poo and get rid of it. That way we can see if it comes back, and if it comes back we'll have to get treatment to get rid of the scruffy rodents. So join me, wear our mask up, glove up, zip up and get rid of this rat poo.
So in one of the last episodes, somebody noticed that we've got woodworm. I thought it was the mice or the rats gnawing at the wood, and this beam here has been absolutely battered with it. Now, we've bought some woodworm treatment, which we're going to put on, because woodworm comes into season from October, from what I've read on the internet. So if we treat it now, it should prevent it coming back. So we'll treat this with woodworm and we'll get it sorted. So, with that said, let's treat this disgusting woodworm.
After scouring the internet for woodworm and rot treatment, I quickly found Amazon being the best option. For the fee of 50 quid, I found 10 litres of the stuff which came with a hand pump pressurised spray bottle. Bargain compared to the likes of Screwfix, Rentokil and every other mainstream builder's merchants. Now for the dusty bit. While Soph smashed away the plaster, I was running backwards and forwards to the truck with 25 kilogram rubble sacks.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what.
So, this is what the wall will end up looking like. Obviously it's very dusty at the minute, but when you actually wet it as such, the stonework really, you can see it really comes up. Probably not the best idea since there's a plug socket there, but it really starts to look nice. So this will eventually all get knocked out, it'll all get repointed. This will get sealed with like a, it's like a lacquer based sort of thing, and it'll make the stonework look that colour. Sophie's done a brilliant task of getting all this done. The stud wall is in from last week. I don't know if I've announced this in this video, but with regards to the stud wall, we came up with the idea of we need to be able to access all the consumer unit and everything. So the fuse cutouts can stay here, there'll be a door there, but the consumer unit is going to have to be relocated in here. And in this shelf, it'll have a false back that you pull out and you can get to all the switches there in case anything trips out. Then this will be the wine rack, of course, and then up here, somebody suggested a great idea on Instagram. Why not make a drawer that pulls out and you can put all books and stuff in it? But we'll see how it goes. So that is the task. With all that said, guys, thanks for watching. It is sadly time to end again, but join us next week where I actually have no clue what we're going to be doing. It may involve some more demolition. It may involve, yeah, it's definitely going to be demolition. Catch you next time.